Hello friends, welcome to another exciting episode where we explore the wonders of nature's finest offerings. Today, we have something truly special for you. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of avocado oil. This versatile oil is not only a culinary delight, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. This isn't just another health fad. Unlike many trendy products that come and go, avocado oil has stood the test of time and science. This oil is a game changer. Its unique properties make it a must-have in every household. From boosting your heart health to giving you radiant skin and hair, avocado oil is packed with essential nutrients like vitamins E and K, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Avocado oil is a true gift of nature. The journey of this oil starts with the humble avocado fruit, which is carefully harvested and processed to extract the purest oil. We'll uncover the secrets of this liquid gold, delving into its extraction process, which ensures that all the beneficial properties are retained. Exploring its journey from the avocado fruit to your plate and beyond, we'll see how this oil can be used in various ways, from cooking to skincare. Get ready to discover why avocado oil deserves a prime spot in your kitchen and bathroom cabinet. Whether you're drizzling it over a salad, using it as a moisturizer, or even as a hair treatment, avocado oil is incredibly versatile and beneficial. In the kitchen, avocado oil's high smoke point makes it perfect for frying, sautéing, and baking. Its mild flavor enhances dishes without overpowering them. In your beauty routine, avocado oil can be a game changer. Its moisturizing properties help to hydrate and nourish the skin, leaving it soft and glowing. For hair, it can reduce frizz, add shine, and promote healthy growth. With so many benefits, it's no wonder that avocado oil is becoming a staple in households around the world. So, next time you're at the store, consider picking up a bottle and experiencing the magic of avocado oil for yourself. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of avocado oil. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes where we uncover the secrets of nature's finest gifts. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. So what exactly is avocado oil? It's the essence of the avocado, pressed from the creamy flesh of the fruit. Unlike many other oils that come from seeds, avocado oil comes from the heart of the fruit itself. The best kind is cold-pressed, meaning it's extracted without using heat. This process preserves all those amazing nutrients that make avocado oil so special. We're talking vitamins A, D, E, and those heart-healthy omega-9 fatty acids. Avocado oil isn't new to the wellness scene. In fact, it's been cherished for centuries. Ancient civilizations in Central and South America, where avocados are native, have been using this oil for generations. They used it as a beauty secret for glowing skin and luscious hair. They even recognized its power to support a healthy heart. Today, we're rediscovering these ancient secrets and embracing the magic of avocado oil in our modern lives. Let's talk nutrition. Avocado oil is bursting with good-for-you fats, especially monounsaturated fats like oleic acid. These fats are like superheroes for your heart, helping to lower bad cholesterol and keep your blood pressure in check. But wait, there's more. Avocado oil is also packed with vitamins E and K, powerful antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. It's like giving your body a shield against aging and disease. One of the most celebrated benefits of avocado oil is its ability to keep your ticker ticking strong. Remember those monounsaturated fats we talked about? They're crucial for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. By lowering bad cholesterol, also known as LDL, and increasing good cholesterol, or HDL, avocado oil helps keep your arteries clear and your blood flowing smoothly. This reduces your risk of heart disease and keeps you feeling young and energetic. Section 6. Avocado oil, nature's gift to your skin. Ready for radiant, youthful skin? Avocado oil might just be the secret you've been searching for. This natural elixir, derived from the creamy flesh of avocados, is packed with nutrients that can transform your skincare routine. Avocado oil is a skincare superstar. Its rich emollient properties make it an excellent moisturizer for all skin types. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, avocado oil can help balance and nourish your complexion. It's incredibly hydrating, locking in moisture and keeping your skin feeling soft and supple. But that's not all. The fatty acids in avocado oil penetrate deep into the skin, providing long-lasting hydration, and creating a protective barrier against environmental stressors. Avocado oil is also loaded with antioxidants, including vitamins E and A. These powerful nutrients work together to combat free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause damage to your skin cells. By neutralizing these free radicals, avocado oil helps to prevent premature aging. These nutrients fight off free radical damage, which can lead to wrinkles and age spots. Regular use of avocado oil can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving your skin a smoother, more youthful appearance. Using avocado oil is like giving your skin a daily dose of youth. Not only does it improve the texture and tone of your skin, but it also promotes a healthy glow. The vitamins and fatty acids in avocado oil support skin regeneration and repair, helping to heal any damage and maintain a youthful complexion. If you suffer from dry patches or irritated skin, avocado oil can provide soothing relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to calm redness and irritation, making it an excellent choice for those with sensitive skin or conditions like eczema and psoriasis. You can also mix avocado oil with other natural ingredients to create your own DIY skincare treatments. Combine it with honey for a hydrating face mask, or mix it with sugar for a gentle exfoliating scrub. The possibilities are endless. Incorporating avocado oil into your skincare routine can turn your daily regimen into a spa-like experience. The luxurious feel and natural benefits of avocado oil make it a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their skin's health and appearance. So why wait? Embrace the natural goodness of avocado oil and give your skin the gift of nature. Your skin will thank you for it. Nature's gift to your skin is just a bottle away. Try avocado oil today and discover the difference it can make. Section 7. Luscious Locks Love Avocado Oil. Avocado oil isn't just for your skin, it's amazing for your hair too. This oil is a natural conditioner, penetrating deep into the hair shaft to provide intense moisture and nourishment. It helps to tame frizz, prevent breakage, and add shine. Plus, massaging avocado oil into your scalp can stimulate hair growth, leaving your locks looking thicker and fuller. Section 8. Cooking up a storm with avocado oil. Now, let's head to the kitchen. Today we're diving into the world of avocado oil, a versatile and healthy option for all your cooking needs. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, avocado oil can transform your dishes in ways you never imagined. Avocado oil is a culinary chameleon, perfect for all sorts of cooking adventures. Its versatility is unmatched, making it a staple in kitchens around the world. You can use it for grilling, roasting, and even as a finishing touch to add a burst of flavor to your meals. One of the standout features of avocado oil is its high smoke point, which means it can handle high heat without breaking down. This makes it an excellent choice for high-heat cooking methods like frying and searing. You won't have to worry about the oil burning or producing harmful compounds. This makes it ideal for sautéing, baking, and even frying. Imagine sautéing your favorite vegetables to perfection, baking delicious goods with a moist texture, or frying food to a crispy golden brown, all with the help of avocado oil. Plus, it has a mild, buttery flavor that complements both sweet and savory dishes. This subtle taste enhances the natural flavors of your ingredients without overpowering them, making it a great addition to a wide range of recipes. From salad dressings to stir-fries, avocado oil elevates every meal. Drizzle it over a fresh salad for a light and healthy dressing, or toss it in a stir-fry for a rich and satisfying flavor. The possibilities are endless, and the results are always delicious. Avocado oil is also fantastic for making marinades. Its rich texture helps to tenderize meat while infusing it with a subtle, buttery flavor. Whether you're marinating chicken, beef, or fish, avocado oil will take your dishes to the next level. And don't forget about smoothies. Adding a splash of avocado oil to your morning smoothie can provide a boost of healthy fats and a creamy texture. It's a simple way to enhance the nutritional value of your drink without altering the taste. You can even use avocado oil as a dip for bread. Pour a little into a small bowl, add some herbs and spices, and you have a delicious and healthy alternative to butter or margarine. It's perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet meal at home. When it comes to storage, avocado oil is quite stable. Keep it in a cool, dark place and it will maintain its quality for a long time. This makes it a convenient and reliable choice for your pantry. So whether you're cooking up a storm or just looking to add a healthy twist to your meals, avocado oil is the way to go. Its versatility, high smoke point, and mild flavor make it a must-have in any kitchen. Happy cooking! Section 9. Choosing and using your green elixir. When choosing avocado oil, always opt for cold-pressed and extra virgin. This ensures you're getting the highest quality oil with all its nutrients intact. Store your avocado oil in a cool, dark place to keep it fresh. Now go ahead and drizzle, slather, and cook with this liquid gold. Your body will thank you.